Have you ever had this problem before? You take a scraper trying to get an old tile that's glued to the floor, and it's just so much time and effort, and you ain't going nowhere. But now I have a solution. Just go to your nearest store. Go to your nearest store and get a blow dryer. Simple blow dryer, just like this. Works pretty good. You ain't gonna be able to hear me when I turn it on, but when I turn it on, I'll show you what to do. Just heat it up for a couple of seconds. Give it a second. All in one piece. Nice and pieces. Instead of little bits like this. And there you have it. It'll take up whole sections, nice and soft. You won't have to worry about little bits and pieces. And there you go. How to take up tile with a blow dryer. A hair dryer, that is. Nice cheap one from Walmart. YouTubers, peace out.